a whole new world. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year's! Oh my goodness, you guys, it's already 2019. Today is actually the 8th, so I'm a little late, but sorry about that. I actually already have one video up for you guys of me deep cleaning or cleaning the entire house for the new year, so you should see that before this one. Anyways, today's another today I'm actually filming a very late video as well. This is a video of what I got for Christmas. I asked you guys on Facebook if you wanted to see it, and I wasn't gonna do it, but somebody insisted that I should do it. So anyways, here it goes. I got quite a few things from my friends and family, so I do apologize in advance if I do forget a few things, because I got like a lot of things from one of my very good friends. So yeah. Anyways, I'm not gonna like do it in order. I'm just gonna take it out because I have 2.5 and another one right over there and another one right here. So I have a lot of bags here, so that's why I'm not gonna be able to do it in order, but we're just gonna start right away. Okay, you guys, so one of and then there's some things that we already ate, or some things that it's in the kitchen or stuff like that, so I'll just take a picture of it so that, yeah. Anyways, first thing that I got from my friend Rachel is this lip treatment duo. This is from Trader Joe. It's really cute. It's great for traveling, and then also my lips have been so chapped lately, you guys, so I do need this. It has a scrub and a balm, and the balm has SPF 15 on it, which is good, so that I can, you know, wear it when I go to the beach as well, to protect me against the sun. Everything that she gave me is from Trader Joe's, because she lives in Vegas now, and we don't have Trader Joe's here in Hawaii, so that's why she always tries to get me Trader Joe's stuff. So thank you, Rachel. Next thing I got is actually this jewelry, this pair of earrings right here. Earrings actually in one package, but she got me a lot more stuff, you guys, so you'll see. But this is from my friend Kimi, and the jewelries are from this brand called Paparazzi. It looks like this, so I'm pretty sure it's the same thing, but the other one is blue and the other one is gray. These are just a very cute pair of earrings. Thank you, Kimi. That's the first thing that she got me, and you see. This one is an earring and a necklace set. So actually it looks like this. So the earring is like this, and the necklace looks like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, how cute. And she knows I like silver, so that's why she got me all the silver stuff. It's very cute. Thank you, Kimi. So that's the next thing. The next thing is actually still from next thing is actually this ColourPop palette. This is my very first ColourPop palette ever, you guys. I have Color Shook shadows from ColourPop, but I don't have palettes. So this is the very first palette I have. This is the Give It To Me Straight by ColourPop, and this is how gorgeous the look like. And the best thing is it has names in the back also, so that whenever I do looks with this, I can tell you what the name is. And there's also a name right under the shadows. And guess what? I actually already used this 3 times now. I did this look today with this palette, so yeah, thank you, Kimi. Next thing I got is this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. So I'm not sure if this is from Kimi also, or if it's from our friend Mason and Gabby, because they also got me Anastasia. So I think they got me an eyeliner, and then this one is from Kimi. But this is an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in brilliant lip gloss in metallic. glossy metallic, huh? Let me see how it looks like. So this one I made sure that it didn't touch yet so that I can show it to you guys on camera. But this is the color. I love it. I love it. These people know me. I like you know, anything lipstick, any gloss. I like a lot. I am working at the same time. Anyways, so yeah, that's that. I got another nude lipstick. This is actually from one of my best friend, Avi or Aviel or Love. I don't think she watches my videos anymore, but anyways, this is the Vivid Hat Lacquer from Maybelline. It comes with a set that says "Give Me Nude." So it comes with a "Give Me Nude" set with the nude palette and this and a bag, a shopping bag. You guys will see that later, but this is one of the set. Yeah, coming back to Kimmy, she also got me this palette right here. It says 24 karat gold by A&S Cosmetics. I actually never heard of this brand before, but I love the colors, guys. I think this one she was thinking of New Year's Eve and the holiday season, because it's definitely for that. And yes, I already used some colors as well, so there's not going to be a first impression on this, but I'll still do videos with them. Look how beautiful these colors are, you guys. So the names are actually in the back, just like the ColourPop, and there's also names under them, as you can see, like right there. Okay, and I'll do you guys a couple swatches, because the other palette I already have it on my lid, so you don't need that. But I will get you Filthy. That's Filthy. You see how beautiful that is? And I'll get you, what else? I get you Pretty Please. Pretty Please. Filthy and Pretty Please. Yeah, it's wow. So I guess it's 24 karat gold, because, well, it's mostly gold colors here. This is perfect for anyone that loves to glitter colors, or you know, I can't talk. This particular palette is great for parties and things like that because of all the glitters in it. I really like it. You know, I'm mostly into, you know, matte colors and stuff like that, but sometimes I need some things like this to make looks for you guys, and I've been trying to branch out my looks more lately, so yes, I need this. Thank you, Kimmy. Alright, so moving on to my girlfriend Monica. I've talked about her also in this channel because she always watches my videos, and she always requests me to use the stuff that she gives me to use it on camera so she can see my reaction, I guess. But yeah, but anyways, she got me the whole Disney collection on ColourPop, you guys. So I have all the princesses here. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to show you guys is actually Ariel. That's how the packaging looks like. When I first saw this, I thought it's all palettes. I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do with all these palettes? But it's actually a set, you guys. It's so pretty. Look at that. So that's how it looks like. This is one of the Super Shock shadows. This is the Under the Sea. Look at that beautiful color. And then this one is the what is this, liquid matte, or is this, oh, it's a glossy lips. So this is a gloss. The name is Capi, I guess the fish, is it? I don't really know princesses, to be honest. And then this one is Ariel, the lipstick. Let me show you guys the lipstick. This is actually my first time really looking at them too, because I was so excited to like show you guys on camera, so I didn't want to touch anything. but this is Ariel, so this is definitely my kind of color. I would definitely rock this lip gloss and lipstick because it's nude. So yeah, that's the first one. The second one is Cinderella. This is the packaging, how it looks like. So like the other one, it comes with a lip gloss, a Super Shock shadow, and a lipstick. Oh, what happened? Okay, so this is how it looks like. So like I said, it comes with a lipstick, the lip gloss, and the shadow. And this one is called So This Is Love. That's how it looks like. How pretty is that, you guys? And then the lip gloss is a very romantic, clear lip gloss, fairy tale-y lip gloss. Let me see how the lipstick looks like. Oh wow, yes, I would definitely wear this. So yeah, so these things are, you can wear it alone or together. That's that. And then the next one is Belle. So that's how the Belle packaging looks like. And I think I can just open it from here, you know. I almost broke the whole packaging earlier, but you can just open it like this and you can see the whole thing like that. And then again, it comes with the lip gloss. This is called Last Petal. Last Petal. This is the lipstick. It's called Belle. So I think all the lipsticks are all the lipsticks are named after the princesses. So that's Belle. And then this is the shadow that comes with it. Okay, that's that. And we have two more princesses, you guys. So there is Tiana. You know, I never watched Tiana. Maybe I should watch it on Netflix or something. I don't really know Tiana. Anyways, I don't really know all these princesses actually. But this is the Disney designer collection. Tiana. This is how Tiana's collection looks like. And then you open it like this. And then there is the gloss, the lipstick, and the eyeshadow. And then you have, wow, this is really nice. I think these are really good for a shadow top, a lipstick topper. This is the lip gloss in Gourmet Dreams. And then I believe the lipstick is called Tiana. Yep, lipstick is called Tiana. Wow, I love this one. Whoa, I love this one. I'm gonna swatch this one for you guys. I'm gonna swatch it right here. That's Tiana, you guys. That is a beautiful color. Yes, you all know I love nudes and darks. That's like my thing. So I love this whole collection. And this is the shadow. Oh wow, we have two more princesses to go actually, you guys. So two more. This one is Snow White. I think this is the one that I know the most actually. Snow White. This is Snow White's packaging. I mean, dude, how beautiful are these? And this is how the collection looks like. You know, this type of things makes me not want to touch it because the packaging is so nice. Yes, I'm into packaging if you guys don't know that. So yeah, Snow White's lip gloss is called Magic Mirror. I see why. And then Snow White's lipstick, which is called Snow White for sure. Let's see how this looks like. Oh, thanks Snow White. I can wear this. I feel like I can wear all of these glosses and lipstick. Even the shadows are like pretty, you guys. And then this is the Shock shadow that comes with it. How pretty, right? Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, and then last but not least princess is Jasmine. So that's how Princess Jasmine's palette or collection looks like. And then you open the book and it comes with the gloss, the lipstick, and the shadow. This is called Raja. Raja. I hope that's how you say it. And then this is the lipstick. It's called Jasmine, like every other princess's lipsticks. This is more on the pink tone, but it's still wearable. I would still wear this. So yeah, stay tuned for a lot of try-ons, you guys. And this is A Whole New World from Princess Jasmine. A whole new world. And this is the shadow. So yeah, you guys, wow. Okay, so that's pretty much everything that I got from Monica. So we're moving on to, I still have a lot from Kimi, so let's just dig in. Next thing I got from Kimi is actually this cocoa powder, and then these candy canes. I think this is for Rina Bella, but she's not into like candy canes nowadays, so it's for us, I guess. Next thing is this bath bomb, cotton candy bath bomb, bath burst. So I'm not sure if this is from Kimi or this is from Rachel, but it's from one of my friends for sure. But thank you so much. I love this. I love taking baths. You guys know this. I love taking baths. That's like my me time. So thank you. Next thing, yeah, so this is the bag that I told you guys about that came with the Maybelline set. So this is a shopping bag, which I really need, like especially now that you have to pay for shopping bags. Just gonna put this in my purse and so yeah, that's from Avi or Abigail or Love. And then the last but not least with the set is this Give Me Nude palette. And you know what? It's so perfect timing because I sent mine to Madagascar as a tester, because I'm selling makeup back in Madagascar for the people that want to purchase authentic makeup. So thank you for my replacement, Love. She didn't even know I sent this, but yeah, I sent it and I have another one now. Thank you. Okay, moving on to the next set of gifts. These are all from Kimi actually, and I already used 2 of them. Let's see. Yep, I already used this one. So this one is a Kiss Me lipstick. You guys already seen some of these before for my birthday. She sent me them. She gave me some. This is a Secret Admirer by Kiss Me. These are all made in US, by the way, so it's awesome. I think I'm gonna start selling these Kiss Me lipsticks. And this one is Kiss Me in Soft Mist, and this one is more of a metallic look, metallic color. I will show you guys. I'll give you a little swatchy. So that's a metallic lipstick. It doesn't go on too metallic-y. It's very buildable, but I wore it once on my friend's birthday party, and dude, it was metallic-y. Like, I keep on putting it on and it stays on, you guys. It does not budge. And the last one is Madrid. I already tried this also. So this is like just a nude one, but look at the packaging, you guys. Look how cute that is. So yeah, these ones are really like festive and like colorful and everything. I love it. Okay, next thing also from Kimi, I got this mineral setting powder from Ulta Beauty, and I think she got this when she was in the mainland, because the Ulta Beauties here are so far. I don't think she got it here. Anyways, this is the yeah, mineral setting powder. It doesn't say the color, so I'm not too sure, but I got that from Kimi. Thank you, Kimi. So all those stuff are still from Kimi, you guys. Yes, my friends love me. I love them too. And then this one is from Fenty Beauty, you guys. This is my very first ever Fenty Beauty makeup product. Kimi also got me my very first MAC products. All the fancy things that I can never afford for myself, they got it for me. Anyways. Okay, so this one is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt. So this is a highlighter, you guys. Yes, I got one of Rihanna's highlighter. And look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. I don't want to swatch it because I'm gonna do a first impression on this. So yes, you guys, this is the kilowatt one. Just gonna take that off. But yeah, oh my gosh, look at the packaging. Gorgeous. This is like Rina Bella's favorite shape. What is this? What is this shape called? She knows. I don't even know. My 2-year-old knows what kind of shape that is. I don't even know. Alright, next thing from Kimi is actually this Becca Champagne Glow on the Go set. It looks like this, and guess what, you guys? Yes, you guessed it. This is my first Becca Cosmetics items ever. I'm so overwhelmed with love. Thank you so much, Kimi. So yeah, this is the set. This is this is how it looks like. Okay, so it has the highlighter right there. Ta-da, dang, girl. So excited to try that out also. And then it comes with, what is this, a concealer? Oh, so this is also a highlighter? I don't know. I'm not too familiar with Becca, as you all know, as you all can see. But I'm very grateful. Thank you so much, Kimi. There's more. From the same company. This is the Paparazzi jewelry company. So another one is the set of pearl and earring. So you can see there's the earrings right here, and then there's the pearls right there. I really love pearls also. I feel like my friends know me so well. My friends know me so well by now. Yeah, so that's that. Next thing is actually this Paparazzi set of earring, and it's a silver, and then it has this pyramid thingy right here. Very, very pretty. So some of these things you can, you know, wear them on special occasions. Some of these things you can wear them on you know, casual days. So that's why I like it. Oh wow, it's a stacking jewelry. Wow, this is also from the same company, and it comes with this little earring right here, and then it comes with all this stacking jewelry right there. Dang, girl, that's gonna be so pretty. Oh wow, I can't wait to wear this with like a plain t-shirt, plain like black t-shirt or white t-shirt. Woo, gonna look so good. The next thing is actually this Fizz and Bubble. I think this is from Kimi or from Rachel, one of them, because yeah, I'm so sorry you guys, I got so many things I really don't remember, but thank you so much. I love this. You guys know I love my baths. Next thing from Kimi is actually, I think this is the last one. Yeah, this will be the last one, but this is the Ulta eyeliner. So this is in black, is it? Blackout. So I'm super excited to try this out. Actually I never have any Ulta products. So yeah, this would be my first time trying out Ulta products as well, you guys. Yes, I know. And then this is for sure from Rachel. This is from Trader Joe's. This is a facial toner in rose water, and I'm very excited to try this out. I am right now running out of my toner. Well, I have my homemade toner still, but I want to use this when I'm like traveling, like we're gonna get ready for like a wedding towards the ending of this month, so I'm gonna need this instead to bring with me to tone my face and stuff. So thank you, Rachel. I don't even know if Rachel watches my videos. Anyways, this is from Mason and Gabby. This is the Sephora in the Blink of an Eye palette. Oh yeah, I saw this in store. I'm gonna show you guys how the palette looks like. This is the Sephora in the Blink of an Eye, and this is the packaging. We can focus camera, and then when you open it, yeah, I saw this in store today. And then this is how it looks like. I don't want to swatch this one either, because I think I'm gonna do a first impression on that. So that's that. And then okay, so that one and this one is from Mason and Gabby. So the or no, this Fenty Beauty is from Kimi, and then the Anastasia earlier is from Miss and Gabby, I think. But this one is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is a fly liner, they said. So this is a long wear liquid eyeliner. What is the color? Cause I'm black, that's the name. Whoa, Rihanna, you didn't go there. Anyways, wow, look at that packaging, you guys. Yeah, I think this is from Kimi for sure. Shoot, let me open it. Oh shoot, look at that. I'm so excited to try this for the first time. I'm gonna do a first impression on all of this, you guys. Oh, what the hell? I have a swatch on here, and then I just wiped on my forehead, and yep. Anyways, this packaging is, wow, this packaging. I don't really like rose gold stuff, but dang girl, this packaging is gold. It's very pretty, so I'm super excited to do a first impression on that. Anyways, next gift is actually from my friend, our friend Tori and Vanessa. I got a Target gift card. I guess because she knows I shop at Target a lot, so they also shop at Target a lot, so that's our house. Okay, next thing is actually my Secret Santa gift. If I told you that, I believe I mentioned to you guys that I did a Secret Santa this year. So this is what I got at my Secret Santa. Ta-da! I got this Bath and Body Works mahogany coconut. We did this like stealing gifts type of thing, so I got this mahogany coconut. I love the mahogany itself, and the coconut gives it a little bit of feminine scent. It's so good, you guys. Smells so good. I can't wait to burn this. I've been waiting to burn this because I wanted to film it for you guys, and also I can't find our lighter. Yes, we don't smoke in this house, so lighters don't really sit anywhere. Next thing I got is actually from my mom. It's right there. I got it before Christmas, and we wheeled it home because we live right across from the mall, so we just pushed it because there's a wheel on it. It's right here. You guys cannot really see it, but I put a picture right here right now so you can see my beautiful little makeup storage. That way Rina Bella doesn't go through my things that much anymore. If you hear any noises on the side, my husband is sleeping right there. So the next things are actually the things that I got from my husband for Christmas. We literally just got them today, so fresh out of the bag. Anyways, the first things are actually from Sephora. This one of these, or these two, have been on my wish list for a while now. So yeah, I got my first way products, and guess what? It's a set, and there is actually clips in the back. So yeah, this is the travel size. This is the dry texture foam, volume spray, wave spray, and wave clips. So there is actually 6 clips in the back. I am super excited for this, you guys. Actually the travel size is not even that small, so I am so stoked to try this. Like I said, we have a wedding to go to towards the end of the month, so I want to use these. That's pretty much why I got them. So yeah, my husband let me pick my gifts this year, which is actually perfect. So that I got exactly what I want. And yes, next thing I got from Sephora, or last thing I got from Sephora, is this beauty blender. It's the blue one. Anyways, yeah, I've always wanted this ever since it came out. I have the black one and the blue one, so I have this joke in my head like, oh, I'm gonna take a picture of them and I'll be like, that's my husband and me. Because that's our favorite color. His favorite color is black and mine is blue. I also like black and white after blue, but I love blue. So anyways, yep. Anyways, and the next thing I got from my husband is Zara. So you guys might see these items twice because I'm gonna be doing a try on haul after this, because it was also a requested video, so I'll be doing that also. So yeah, anyways, I'm not gonna be trying these on in this video, obviously. First thing I got from Zara is actually this what is this what is this called? Jumpsuit? Bodysuit. It's a bodysuit. Wow, Michou, this bodysuit right here, it looks very elegant. Wait, there's no strap. Oh yeah, there's a strap, there's a snap in the bottom. Thank God. I thought this is red. How come it looks orange on camera? Anyway, so this is how it looks like. It's very sexy but very elegant at the same time. So I'm thinking of just wearing this to the wedding, or I'll probably swatch it with something else depending on how it looks like on me when I try it on later. Or I'll just get another dress for the wedding. We'll see. But anyways, I want to match David's tie for sure, because I mean that's usually what couple do, like when they go to weddings. Like the woman would match the man would match the woman's dress with his tie. So I want to do that. Anyways, so yeah, that's that. Very cute, very cute. This was on sale for $12.99. Dang, girl, $12.99. Oh, I don't know if I want to return it. The next thing also I got for the sales is this pants right here. I originally tried something else actually that was the same size, but like the whole hem was like, you know, falling apart. So I returned from the fitting room. I gave it back to the attendant, and I just grabbed a new one from the shelf. But it's the same exact thing that I tried on. This one was on sale for $15.99. This is size small, and the bodysuit was size small also. It looks so good on me, girl. Like, oh my gosh, girl, you should have seen it. No, but really, it looks so good on me. Size small is like perfect on my body right now. And this one is like, it's like a slacks, like it's pretty much a pair of slacks, but it's like form fitting, so it looks good on you. It doesn't look like, you know, I really hate those slacks. Like it's like baggy and weird looking on you. Like, ugh, like that's why I don't like formal wear or like those office attires, because it makes me look so weird. But that was back then when I was too skinny. But now things fit so good. I love it. So yeah, and this is like pretty much a thick slacks. They call it leggings, but it's pretty much better quality than leggings. Yep, this is called legging collection, Zara Basic. But anyways, it has this white and stuff on the top, so you don't really see it when I wear it. That's why I didn't mind it. And then these zippers are fake. But whatever. There's no pocket, it's just a zipper, and the zipper still has this thing on it that covers the whatever that is, the zipper logo thingy. It has it on both sides. Like I said, you guys will see it in my try on haul, so don't worry if you don't really see it right now. But those are the only things on one more thing on sale. This pair of heels on sale, but it looks very good on me and it's very comfortable. Like I really want it, but I have two pairs that are very similar to this. And one thing is, this is not my size. This is size 36. I'm usually a size 35, but I tried this in store and it fits. It fits so good on me. But the thing is, like I said, I have another pair that's like this. It doesn't really how they say, it fits, but it hurts. So I probably would just give that to one of my cousins or things like that. And the other pair is lower and chunky heels, so that's my excuse. But I'm still debating if I should keep them or not. What do you guys think? It's so cute though. It's so cute. It's so cute. And it matches with anything because it's very classic style. And then this is rounded, it's not so square, so it's like a different style. Yeah, the size 36, like I said, my size is 35, but this fits good. So I don't know, you guys, help me out. Should I return them? Should I keep them? I don't know. Let me know. You guys might not see this right away, so I'll let you know if I kept them or not. But they are cute. I feel like I could use them a lot because they will match with anything. I don't know. Okay, last but not least, I got also this pair from Zara from my husband, and this one is not on sale. This one is actually their new collection. This one is $20.90 and also size small. It's the same pair as the one I told you earlier. This is like a slacks pretty much, but I don't know if it's for body shaping. It's a body shaping pants, I guess. It has this big band on here, and it has the big band on the back also, and that's why actually I love it. I love it so much for that, because it just sucks your, you know, little waist in, especially now that I still have a little stomach that I'm trying to lose, or not really actually, to be honest with you, because, well, for other reasons I don't really care to lose weight right now anymore. Anyways, so that's that. And then it has this like lining on here. It's a very, like, it's an awesome quality, you guys. Like, it's great. It's great. So yeah, those are the things I got from my husband. I think this video is coming to an end. Thank you so much if you made it until the end. There's a couple things that we got from Rachel and my friend Rachel and her boyfriend Adrian that it's not on this video because, well, one is for David and the other one is in the kitchen right now. And the other one is for Rina Bella, which you will see in what my child got for Christmas, another requested video. So you don't see those right now, but yeah, I got those from my friends also. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to catch me up in all my social media. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm always there. And yeah, please subscribe if you love my videos, if you love my content. That would help me so much. That would let me know that you guys you know, support me in what I do and you like my videos. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.